What's it been like so far?
Well, it's lit pretty well.
Very nice.
Don't film me.
Hey, let's go!
What have you been up to today, man?
We've been driving around the county looking for the front man because he went out sleeping around again.
Axl Rose.
So we had to come back.
Axl Rose.
Find him. And now we're here, setting up late. Haven't practiced yet, but hopefully soon enough. Well, at least we got power.
What do you have to say for yourself?
Not a lot right now. I'm just helping setting up this power here because the fuse keeps going because the lights keep playing the fuse.
An absolute bummer.
But we're getting there. We're getting there.
You're better than I do, darling, I know. 'Cause you remind me every day I'm not enough, but I still stay. Feels like a lifetime just trying to get by while we're dying inside. I've done it all. Shout, but you know we'll figure it out. Don't worry, my baby. I know it's hard to hear a shout, but you know we'll figure it out. Don't worry, my baby. Don't worry, my baby. You both had to explain how our lives are gonna change. Oh, is it wrong?
Hey Carl, how you doing?
How's it going then, man?
It's running
Round.
now.
Crazy, mate.
Hello.
I'm loving it.
Trying to hurt me, understand it's hard. I'm working your breath, beats the drum of your mistakes.